Hi everyone, in this session let's talk about Python functions and variable assignments. Functions helps you to reuse the code and make your code more reliable. Function blocks begin with the keyword def followed by the function name and parentheses. Any input argument should be placed within these parentheses. So I have put parameter _1 and parameter _2 here, and the code block within every function starts with a colon and indented. So you can see this colon, and I have indented the body of the function here, but we have to remember certain rules when naming a function too, but I'm not going to talk about it here in detail. Now let's see how a function can be called. So using the function name, we can call our previous function like this. And we have to give the parameter _1, let's say 1, and parameter 2 as 2, clarity I will add a print statement here in the body of the function. So I will be printing my first parameter and also the parameter 2. So if you run this now, you can see the number 1 and 2 is printed here. And this is how you call a function. In addition to that, there are built-in functions like type conversion functions like int. So I will be printing int string 7. So the string number 7 will be converted to an integer and printed here. And also there are like math functions. So if I import the library math, so I'll be using the square root function. So it will be print math.sqrt and an integer. So I'll be running this again. You can see the answer is printed here. So now let's see how we can declare variables and use them. The operand to the left of the equal mark operator is the name of the variable, and the operand to the right of the equal mark is the value stored in this variable. So for example, var1 equals 1. So if I print it, you can see the variable 1 is printed here. And also Python allows you to assign a single variable to several variables simultaneously like this. So if I say a equals b equals c equals 2, so all these variables abc are abc equals to 2 here. So I'll again print these. And another important thing is you can also assign multiple objects to multiple variables like this. So I'll be having x, y and z as my variables, and for x I'll be assigning the integer 1, and for y I'll be assigning 2, and for z let's assign a string, let's say Sri Lanka. So if I print these 3, you can see the values of x, y and z. So I hope you understood how functions and variable assignments work in Python. Stay tuned.